Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed Zubair and welcome to the Architectural Insider. I'll tell you why I chose that specific name later on the video, so please keep watching. I didn't want to do YouTube for a while. It was just something that was brought up to me by a very close friend about 2 weeks ago, and I thank her very much for planting that seed in my head. Now, first I want to explain what this channel is going to be about. It's going to be mainly about, well, as you can guess, architecture. So it's going to be a variety of stuff, being tutorials, being how to do videos, being renders, Photoshop renders, being sketching techniques, being testing equipment, being sharing knowledge, how to do stuff, anything, or any other ideas you guys want, comment below and I will add it to my list if I don't forget. Now let me give you guys a bit more about me. I am 20, currently live in the UK, and I am planning to stay in the UK. However, looking at myself 10 to 12 years ago, I never would have thought I ended where I am now. I was born in Iraq, Kurdistan, when I was 3, and I moved to Holland until I was 12, 13, and then moved to the UK. As you might have already guessed, I'm an architectural student in the University of Wolverhampton. I am going to start my 3rd year in this September, so please wish me luck. Why I chose the Architectural Insider was mainly because of the concept of being an insider of architecture, because I already study architecture. And I wanted to share my knowledge and experiences to you guys and hope that the inside information will help you guys out in architecture. I hope you guys like this little introduction and are excited as I am about what's going to happen in the future with this channel. Let all your friends and colleagues know, and the architecture community and design community, about this channel, and hopefully we can benefit from it. Please leave a comment, like, share, subscribe.